I'm Shubhangi from collegedekho.com and today we are at the NSHM Knowledge Campus, a knowledge hub of global excellence where students learn, share, shine and have fun. Possibilities unlimited. With this mantra as their core value, NSHM focuses on innovative teaching and in research productivity to inject creativity amongst the student to harness their emotional, intellectual and spiritual capabilities. With 18 UG and 8 PG courses across 8 colleges, NSHM has successfully created industry-ready professionals, researchers and entrepreneurs. NSHM has its campuses in Durgapur and Kolkata and is well connected by rail, road and air. Founded in the year 1996, the NSHM School of Hotel Management is poised to be one of the premier schools for hospitality and tourism education. With an impressive infrastructure and over 2,000 alumni working with leading hotels, leisure and tourism brands across the world, with a 50+ strong industry experienced faculty pool, this school is redefining education in hospitality and tourism management.
NSHM School of Hotel Management is the first institute in India to bring the government AICTE approved BHMCT, that's a Bachelor's in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, to this part of India. The curriculum we follow at NSHM, we do take theory classes as well as practical classes, wherein more than 40% of the curriculum the students spend over here is covered up in their practical classes. We do have full-fledged food and beverages lab and accommodations lab. We do have our online softwares also where students have a hands-on practice about what they will be going to do in the industry.
Bachelor in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Bachelor of Hotel Management and Bachelor of Travel and Tourism Management. NSHM Institute of Media and Design's curriculum focuses on 3 different learning processes: learning from theory, learning from media-specific cases, and learning from hands-on experiences. The UG courses include BSc in Fashion Design and Management, BSc in Media Science, BSc in Animation, Multimedia and Graphics Design. PG courses include MSc in Media Science. NSHM College of Pharmaceutical Technology offers pharmacy specialized courses and or pharmacy oriented interactive workshops and seminars related to GMP, GLP, ISO and entrepreneurship development workshops, business case studies, pharmaceutical marketing research programs, different trainings and management development programs. Bachelors of Pharmacy, Masters in Pharmacy. NSHM Business School boasts of a strong international and industry-based visiting faculty, a business and research analytical cell, entrepreneurship drive with NEN, and international exposure. NSHM is creating industry-ready professionals, researchers, educators, and entrepreneurs. Courses offered at NSHM Business School include MBA 2 years full-time, PGDM 2 years full-time, and MBA 3 years part-time. All programs at NSHM Faculty of Engineering and Technology are affiliated to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology and AICTE and are contextually relevant and updated to give students the much needed professional edge and a competitive advantage. The department endorses classroom education and industrial training and is supported by world-class facilities.
NSHM Faculty of Engineering and Technology has been built with a lot of passion and hard work, and we want to be the best in the country. No compromise on that.
There are many reasons as to why I chose this college, but the main reason why I chose this college was the infrastructure it offered, which was unparalleled as compared to any other engineering college in this region. Apart from that, the kind of interaction that you get here, the conducive environment it offers, and the buildings for different portals all add up to a reason as to why I actually chose this college.
BTech courses at NSHM include Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Civil Engineering and Electrical Engineering. BTech course at NSHM include Electronics and Communication Engineering. Diploma courses in NSHM include Mechanical Engineering and Civil Engineering. Along with many other courses, NSHM also offers B-Optom, that is Bachelor of Optometry. It is the recipient of the UK India Education Research Initiative Award.
The USP of the college is it not only just focuses on the academics, it also focuses on the growth of a person individually as well as of the environment. For example, we organize a free eye camp for the autistic children at Hope School. Besides all these, we have exciting fests like the Tech Fest, Tempesta, the Cultural Fest, Blitz, where we can all pursue our hobbies like dancing and singing, everything.
In addition, NSHM has a central library, a Wi-Fi campus, a gymnasium, indoor and outdoor sports facilities in campus, ATM in campus, state-of-the-art canteen and a dedicated CRTT cell, that is Corporate Relations and Talent Transfer Cell, for training and placements. NSHM also has separate girls and boys hostel within the campus.
The best thing about this college is the hands-on experience that we get, which we will not find anywhere else. Although it is possible for the college to help us out on a lot of occasions with easy solutions, it does not do that. It helps us to learn more, thereby gain more hardcore experience, which only helps us to grow as confident individuals.
Over 20 years of excellence in education, with more than 500 recruiters, 300 career opportunities, and more than 15,000 alumni across the globe, NSHM is every student's dream education destination.
So if you're looking for excellence in the perfect blend of imagination and execution, then NSHM Knowledge Campus is the place where you should be.